Hello, welcome to the Little League World Series Baseball 2008 for the Wii. We are going to complete our first ever International League Finals and win the series. So, yeah. With the Sox. We are facing the Caribbean on the last game. Let's hope we don't face the Southeast because we all know they're good. Caribbean versus Sox. Oh my God, I got it right. We're batting first. There's a drive. Deep. That's going to be caught. Good hit, though. Here's Marco Mellon. Marco Mellon. Too easy to ask for Caribbean. Here's Carlos Ribeiro. I'm so done. There's a drive that I need to go get some water. He said yes to a hot dog. Why? Okay. Finally ready. Here's the 0-1. Swings at the first pitch. And it's at no. I suck at everything. Double play! That was so close. Keenan Hilton. He hits a fly ball. That's going to be the third out. There's Bobby, which is me. Where's me? Did I just bat? Yeah, I did. Come on. There's a drive. Deep. Key! Santiago Ramirez. Ah! We're going to play with the Matt West next. There's a shot. Deep. It's gone. Let's go. On the board. Back to back. Go, go, go. Got him looking. Got him swinging this time. 2 outs. We are pitching this. Nice grab. Here's Andre Martinez. Oops. This ball is a deep, it's a liner, fair ball, and I get the automatic home run. Let's go. First pitch, ball. There's a liner, and it's a fair ball down the line. Jorge Sanchez, his favorite hobby is dancing. There's a liner. Go, 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 go. Let's go! Bases loaded! Marco Mellon. Come on. How's that a strike? There's a drive. Deep. It's a grand salami! It's a grand salami! He does a cartwheel, a flip, and we have a grand salami! He's pointing at you guys! You made it. You made this possible! Jimmy! 1-1. There's a drive. That's going to be the first out.
Now batting, the star player of the team, number 6.
Hold on. Okay. 1-0. There's a drive. Deep. It's gone. Yeah.
That ball is gone. Now batting,
6-0.
number 1.
There's a deep drive. That's going to be caught. 2 outs.
Now batting, first baseman, number 9.
Come on. There's a drive. Deep.
Out, Jimmy. It's the bottom of the 3rd inning. Batting 8, Jimmy on the plate, number 10.
A 1. 0-2. Got him! Looking! He is out. 0-1. He's got the hops like the hop. That's not a realistic baseball. How's that a fair ball?
Now batting, center fielder, number 15.
And nice grab from me. I'm so good.
Here we go, the top of the 4th. Now batting, pitcher, number 24.
Flores, that's going to be out.
1 down. Now batting, third baseman.
There's a liner. Oh! Oh my god. That was a missile. That's a missile too, but that's also fine. Go, run. Oh, come on. Still batting stance. First pitch. There's a drive. Deep. Not on.
Bottom half of the fourth inning. Now batting. One of the most talented players on the field today. Number 1, Craig.
Got him swinging. He is chugging on his fifth because he's dehydrated. What is that?
Now batting. Left fielder. Number 6.
Oh no. No shutout for us. Got it. Save.
Now batting. First baseman. Number 7.
That's gonna not get through. Bro, they just played him.
Now batting. Shortstop.
That's not
Number
cute.
11, Two down. Safe.
Two down.
Catcher.
6-2.
10.
Strike one. Here's the 0-1 pitch. Foul. Oh my god. Run! Ah.
Now batting. Third baseman. Number 3, Craig.
Got him swinging! Smirky guy, Jorge Sanchez.
Center fielder. Number 12.
Foul.
One down. Now batting. Right fielder. Number 13.
Come on, number 13. Forgot your name. I think you're Marco Mellon. Deep! It's gone! Marco Mellonhead with the dinger.
Now batting. Left fielder. Number 18.
A liner, that's going to be a second out.
2 outs. Now batting.
Me.
Right batter fielder. Number 6.
Oh my god.
Now Jimmy. It's the bottom half of the fifth inning. Now batting. Second baseman. Number 5. 1 out. Now batting. Center fielder. Number 15. A fantastic all-around baseball player. Number 1.
Got him looking.
Top of the 6th inning.
Here's Miguel Costa.
Second baseman. Number 1.
There's a liner. And we got a hit on the power up. Go. Way surf.
Now batting.
Here's Santegi. All right, Santegi. Diego Ramirez. The father, the son of Aramis Ramirez. Just kidding, I don't think so. There's a liner. It's fair ball! It's a fair ball! He scored! Yeah. There's a shot! Deep! Off the wall, almost off the wall. Here's Andre Martinez. That's a drive! Andre Martinez with a home run! We get the automatic home run for Bobbin. I hope. Drop. No. Oops. Oops. Get it. Nope. What about fans? Get it. Let's go. 2 away. Got him swinging. 1 more away from winning this. Yeah! Let's go! We won! We won the international finals! We're moving on. We have done it. Great job, the Sox. We have done it. 10-2 is the final score of the game. Crap. No. Viewers, we can do this. I'm gonna be catcher this game. Why not? Southeast versus Sox. And there's a pop out. Another out. David Baker Mayfield is up. And he's still good. Even when I'm not there. I'm his best friend. Best friend. Yeah! We got it. We got it. Here's Jorge Sanchez.
In center field, number 12.
Crap. There's a drive deep.
One out. Batting second.
There's Marco Mellon.
Number 13.
Wow.
Batting third.
Carlos Rib. There's a liner that's going to be out.
Now, Jimmy.
Two.
Top half
off the loose.
Batting fifth. And he hits it. Number 10.
Get it! Come on! Oh, come on! What the heck was that?
Batting sixth.
He dropped that crap.
Number 13.
That was a dime. Throw it to third! Stop being stressed. No,
Batting seventh. And
there's
pitching.
no way.
Number 12. Neal.
Foul. Got him! We got him.
Batting eighth. At third base. Number 18.
Oh no. Oh, bro.
Batting ninth. In center field. Number 11.
Pop out. Let's go. Barely. Get out of the gym. Here's me in my last
And behind the plate.
time in a Sox uniform. A drive, foul ball. Already the second inning. That's going to be a pop out.
Batting fifth. At second base. Number 1.
Oh, that's a pop out. Cartman is going to play. Cue.
Batting sixth.
Cartman going to play.
Number 9.
Wow, Cartman sucks.
Let's play ball. It's the top of the third.
Third? Third is third. Pop out.
One down.
Nice play.
Batting. Right fielder.
No sleep, two. Go, go, go. Out.
Now batting. First baseman.
David Baker Mayfield. Holy crap. He got them a souvenir. And he is out. David Baker Mayfield. Top of the third.
24.
There's a fly ball. Go just in case.
Batting eighth. At third base. Number 2.
Come on. Nope.
But out. Batting ninth.
Broken away.
Number 3.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, Steve. Ah. The fourth. Oh my God.
Now batting. The star player of the team.
Not me. Got him. What a fast pitch. Yeah. I feel very confident we're going to win the game on a walk-off. No, it's not. Bottom of the fourth.
Now batting. Center fielder. Number 12.
Get up! It's gone! No,
Batting. Right fielder.
not me. That's a drive! Deep! It's gone! It is gone!
Now batting.
We finally did something! Ah!
Second out. Now batting. A fantastic all-around baseball.
Me!
Number 6.
Come on, hit a bomb. Come on. This ball is crushed deep. Ah. It's going to be the most boring win ever. Get him. Let's go. Go, go, go. Got him. 2 outs. No. Oh my God. Let's go.
It's the bottom half of the fifth inning. Now batting, second baseman, number 1.
Get up. That is crushed. It is gone. 2-0.
Now batting, first baseman, number 9.
That's going to be a pop out.
1 down. Now batting, pitcher,
Your stays not
number
going.
24.
That's going to be a nuke. Deep. No, it's not. 3-3. That's going to be a drive deep. Out. Oh my God.
Top of the sixth inning. Now batting, shortstop, Hugh, number 8. Right.
Got him. 1 more.
Right fielder,
Wasn't as good the last time, but I'll take it. Let's go!
first baseman, number 2. Right.
We won! We won! We have won the Little League World Series. A shutout. We have done it. A shutout. Only 2 hits, and we still won. That's the only game we lost. That's not a good average. We're gonna move on to the West. I am not gonna film this. Key. We have done it. We are moving on to the West. Listening to the membrane. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, that sound. I love that sound. That's the best sound in all of this game. That doesn't make me question anything at all. We're gonna go with we are back. We have created the New England Jays. That's us. Facing Big Al's here. I'm pitching. Oh my God! Why? Most of these kids suck at bat. Or at worst, they suck. First basemen are usually good at batting. For example, Derek Lee, Big Poppy, Jim Tunney, Albert Pujols, Jason Giambi. Is he a first baseman? Jack Gaines.
Top of the first inning, Whitmore. Leading off in left field, he's number 11.
I'm not being stereotypical, just kidding, I am. Oh my god. Got it. He's safe.
Batting second.
Oh, great. This is my worst night ever. He's out.
Batting third.
Don't block.
At first base, number 8, Drake.
Got him! Finally, good enough. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, come on! Now they got the mother freaking bases loaded.
Pitcher, number 3, Hughes.
If you call it wild, but I found one. I'm not too many fires, just one good. Oh no! Well, that has to be clutch for them. 2-0.
Batting sixth.
Good for you,
In
piece of
center
crap.
field,
Look at this picture, goofy on. What am I doing?
batting seventh. At shortstop, number 7. Batting
Oh my
eighth.
god, this is
In right field,
horrible.
number 25.
Bow! Get it! Finally, get out of the enemy. We're in Volunteer Stadium today. Let's play.
In center field, number 6.
That's a drive deep. The first step back with this team. It is a goner. I haven't learned their names yet, but they got a home run. Here's Evan Phillips.
Number 12.
That's a that was a nuke. Wow. Go, go, go. Get off. Is that going to be another one? No, it's not.
First down. Batting third,
William Jackson. He looks amazing at the baseball. Right when I say that, it's up, it's up, it's gone! Tie game! Now me.
batting in the cleanup spot and behind the plate.
Nope.
Second out.
2 outs.
Batting fifth in left field, number 5.
Foul.
Foul ball.
0-1. Foul ball.
Jimmy. Top half of the second inning. Batting ninth and behind the plate.
Get it. I bet
Now batting.
this video, okay? Get the same number. Likes and comments.
Drake.
Oh, we got him.
Now batting.
It was some great stuff. Whatever that means. Oh. I bet this video, okay? Get the same number. Likes and comments.
Now batting. First baseman, number 8.
Adrian Moore. Oh, the hops. Clutch.
Just a reminder to all the folks in the stands
I couldn't hear a thing for some
In right
reason.
field, number 8.
That's gonna be
1 out.
out.
Batting 7.
Come on, Lucas. You're pretty. You're so cool. That Lucas Parker! It is a shot! That's gonna be in. Now they got 3.
At first base.
Landon Mitchell. The New England Jays. Oh crap. Oh no. I'm scared. That's a drive.
Out. Jimmy. That's the top of the 3rd. Now batting.
Rubble.
Third baseman. Number 2. Batter. First out. Now batting. One of the most talented players on the field today.
Oh no.
Number 3.
They're not even gonna use their power up. They're so dumb. They didn't even have to. That's a nuke. What happens if it hits that? Can it? Or can it go through?
Now batting. Right. Center fielder. Number 5. 2 down. Now batting. Shortstop. Number 7. Steve.
Got him! You want some of his food? Timmy! This guy's name is Timmy! No, seriously, look. Timmy! It says Timothy, but whatever. Still Timmy. Timmy! Here's Andy Godby. Andy Godby. Godby. Oh, come on. Evan Phillips. Come on. Foul. 0-1. Ah! This ball is deep. Deep, get up. No. Safe. Great slide. William Jackson. His favorite movie is Shrek. No way. Come on, get down. No. One run game here, William support. William support. Buddy, buddy. Buddy, buddy. Buddy, buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy. No, go, go, go. Got it. What the heck? Oh no. No! How was he How was he saved? Oh my. Wow. We strike him out. What a clutch strikeout. Wow. Don't get off the bed next time. Go, 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 go. Can I rob it? No, that's an absolute shot. We have to make a rally this next inning. All right, kids, let's go. We got our best player, my son. go! Let's go, son. Nice job. Bobbin O'Connor. That's my actual last name. That's a drive deep. It's caught.
Now batting, right fielder.
Benjamin Moore is up. A drive deep. It's another Gunner. What are you talking about? How's that catchable, Gary?
Now batting, pitcher. Number 1.
That's gonna be 2.
Now batting, first baseman.
His favorite movie is Toy Story 2. This man has good taste. That's probably the best Toy Story movie, in my opinion. He decided to swing at that crap. Great. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. Save! Yeah! Clutch.
Third baseman. Number 9.
Tie the game. Nope.
Jimmy. Always a pleasure to bring in these games and get life points and get to play. Time now at the top half of the 5th. Now batting, the star player of the team. Number 3.
Got it. Good out.
Now batting,
Green out.
center fielder. Number 5. Right. Right.
1. Got him.
Now batting, shortstop. Number 7.
Forgot how good these kids were. How? Got him. Get it. Let's go. Nice grab. I'm a manager. I'm a manager. I'm a manager.
Number 6.
I'm a manager. Liner. Nope.
Now batting, shortstop.
Sam Liner. Oh my God, it's back. Let's go. Oh.
Now batting, second baseman.
Come on. Fingers crossed. No.
Out. King.
Great.
Top of the 6th inning. Now batting, right field is Neal. Number 25.
Yes. Yes. Pop out. 1 out.
First down. Now batting, catcher. Number 4.
Walk it off. No confidence. Go, go, go. Easy out. Yeah.
Now batting, left fielder. Number 11. Craig.
No.
Now batting, second baseman. Number 16. Craig. Timeout. Play. Neal. Now batting, first baseman.
No.
Craig.
Wow, that's a new souvenir. Go! Oh. Racing.
Now batting, third baseman. Number 2.
Clutch.
Craig.
Do the clutch thing. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Bro.
Now batting, a great batter and fielder.
No, he's really not, but whatever. 8-4. Get it. Okay.
Gene,
Okay.
it's the Bonneville Pacific.
Me.
One of the most talented players on the field today.
That's gonna be a nuke. 8-5. Nicholas Hall. He's up. He has decent batting. No. 1 out.
One down. Now batting.
Benjamin Moore.
Number 8.
Ski, right? No.
2 down. Now batting. Pitcher.
Lucas Parker is up. A deep drive, back, track, it's gone. Lucas Parker with a dinger. Landon Michelle is up. Oh, are you kidding me? Basically screwed. Yep. Run, run, run. Good game, good game, good game. Okay, guys, that was my playthrough of Little River World Series. That's my first. Yeah, that was my first. International win of my season. Yeah. Let's check the clubhouse. We did a lot of things, like in the Grand Slam. That was cool. Marco Mellenhead with a grand slam. Okay, guys, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed Little League World Series. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.